A digital workplace is a virtualized form of the traditional in-person office environment, where many elements of collaboration and productivity are performed and combines leadership, culture, technology, and practices to yield critical outcomes that impact both operational effectiveness and employee engagement. A digital workspace is a technology framework that manages and centrally controls the elements of an organization's IT assets, including applications, data, and endpoints. What is an example of a digital workplace? Examples of a digital workplace: team collaboration tools. These collaboration tools allow employees to communicate through different departments, remote locations, and hierarchical, the nature of a hierarchy, arranged in order of rank. Onpassive Technologies' video conferencing platform is the medium by which digital workplace employees communicate through different departments and remote locations. Many businesses are looking to workplace platforms as the answer to their technology challenges. A workplace platform provides a cohesive, central technology experience that improves the workday for employees and addresses the pain points of you and your IT teams. How big is the digital workplace market? The global digital workplace market was estimated at $27.33 billion in 2021 and is expected to reach $33.12 billion in 2022. What does digital mean in the workplace? Digital workplace solutions can integrate any number of devices, software, and hardware. A digital workplace can be as simple as email and instant messaging, virtual meeting tools, cloud resources like storage and processing, and shared social media or business applications. What is a workplace experience platform? Employee experience software, also known as employee experience platforms and employee experience managers, supports people and teams by helping organizations deliver more connection, insight, purpose, and growth. What is the difference between a digital workplace and a workspace? A digital workspace is a part of a wider digital workplace setting. Consider it this way. It's similar to a workstation, which is only a small fraction of the whole workplace. While a digital workplace solution offers the essential infrastructure for work to be completed, it is also where the work is completed. What is your ideal digital workplace? You can consider these aspects to create the perfect digital workplace. Create an easy-to-use IT environment and provide training. Create a technological environment that streamlines workflow, adds value to customer experience, and trains employees on how to do this. Develop an effective content management system. Why do we need a digital workplace? The use of digital tools allows for rapid decision-making and implementation, essential in a fast-paced business environment. Data-driven decision-making. Digital workplaces offer ready access to high-quality, unified data that offer insights into everything from employee productivity to customer preferences. What is the future of digital workplace? The future of digital workplace services is likely to be shaped by emerging trends such as AI and automation, collaboration tools, security, personalization, employee well-being, and data analytics. What is digital workforce transformation? Digital transformation is the integration of digital technology into all areas of a business, fundamentally changing how you operate and deliver value to customers. It's also a cultural change that requires organizations to continually challenge the status quo, experiment, and get comfortable with failure. Onpassive Technologies' digital workstation, O-Pir. 1. What is O-Pir? O-Pir is an instant messaging platform for offices and organizations. The platform enables you to reach out to your colleagues in an instant. It is almost like texting, where you can send and receive messages quickly. The tool for communication at your workstation. Know more about O-Pir. A live teamwork communication tool in an office environment can go a long way in streamlining the flow of information within a permissible group of people. It allows instant messaging with the added advantage of presence information. Additionally, Onpassive offers O-Pir, a tool built specifically to enable in-office communication with messages apart from sharing and storing files. The O-Pir project management tool has multiple features that allow easy collaboration irrespective of location. It offers a highly secure platform for businesses to discuss their proprietary information without worrying about third-party involvement. With a personalized dashboard, the user can keep track of teams, projects, and high-quality screen share and generate reports whenever needed. The O-Pir allows you to manage offices from anywhere, be it in the office, at home, or elsewhere. So your office is accessible to you anytime from anywhere. Key features of O-Pir. The features of O-Pir help in seamless communication, which is highly useful for increased productivity and output at a workplace. Office communication should be accessible and be done in an instant. The highly engineered features of O-Pir help in easy interaction at the workplace. 1. Secure communication platform. 2. Instant messaging. Send messages, share and store files. 4. Easy collaboration. 5. Personalized dashboard. 6. No third-party involvement. Visit onpassive.com, register for 3 free digital products, and receive a 14-day free trial of O-Connect, the video conferencing platform.